Hello, my friends. Today we embark on a journey to transform your home into a haven of peace and joy. Many of us struggle with clutter. It can feel overwhelming, like a weight on our shoulders. We yearn for a tidy and organized space, but the task often feels daunting. So, let's explore the 10 reasons your house is still cluttered and, more importantly, discover practical solutions to overcome these challenges. Together, we can create a home that sparks joy and inspires tranquility. Imagine embarking on a journey without a destination in mind. You might wander aimlessly, unsure of where to go or what to do next. This can be frustrating and overwhelming. Decluttering without a plan can feel just as directionless. You may start in one area, get distracted, and end up with more mess than you began with. Start by envisioning your ideal living space. What does it feel like? What does it look like? Picture the calm, the order, and the beauty of a space that truly reflects your personality and needs. Once you have a clear vision, break down the decluttering process into smaller, manageable steps. Create a checklist or a plan that outlines each task, no matter how small. This will help you stay focused and motivated. Perhaps you'll tackle one room at a time, or maybe you'll focus on a specific category each day, like clothing or books. By breaking it down, you make the process less daunting and more achievable. Remember, progress, no matter how small, is still progress. Each item you sort, each corner you tidy, brings you one step closer to your goal. Celebrate each milestone, no matter how minor it may seem. Reward yourself for the effort and the progress. This will keep your spirits high and your motivation strong. A well-defined plan will be your compass, guiding you through the clutter and leading you to a home that sparks joy. It will help you navigate the challenges and stay on course, ensuring that you reach your destination of a clutter-free, harmonious living space. Imagine the peace and tranquility that comes with a decluttered home, a space where everything has its place and you can find what you need without stress or frustration. Not only will a decluttered home improve your mental well-being, but it will also enhance your relationships. Sharing a clean, organized space with loved ones can bring you closer together and create a more harmonious living environment. With less clutter, you'll have more time and energy to focus on the things you love. Whether it's a hobby, spending time with family, or simply relaxing, a decluttered home allows you to enjoy life to the fullest. So, take the first step today. Create your decluttering plan and let it guide you to a home that not only looks beautiful, but also feels like a sanctuary. The power of a decluttering plan lies in its ability to transform your space and your life. Oh, the just-in-case items. We all have them, don't we? We hold on to them with the best intentions, thinking they might come in handy someday. Convincing ourselves that we might need them someday, we tuck them away in drawers, closets, and storage bins. But let's be honest with ourselves for a moment. How often do we actually use these items? How many times have we dug through a drawer only to find things we forgot we even had? Do they truly spark joy when we stumble upon them in the back of a drawer? Or do they just add to the clutter and confusion? Holding on to things just in case often stems from a fear of letting go, a fear of the unknown, and a fear of not having enough. We worry that if we let go, we might regret it later. But how often does that really happen? Remember, true abundance comes from letting go of what no longer serves us. When we release these items, we make space for new opportunities and experiences. As you declutter, ask yourself, have I used this item in the past year? Does it add value to my life? Does it make me happy? If the answer is no, it's time to release it with gratitude. Thank it for its service and let it go. By doing so, you create a more peaceful, organized, and joyful living space. Embrace the freedom that comes with less. Enjoy the clarity and calm that a decluttered space brings. You deserve a home that reflects your best self. So, start today. Open that drawer, that closet, that storage bin. Let go of the just-in-case items and make room for the life you truly want to live. You'll be amazed at how much lighter and happier you feel. Releasing the just-in-case clutter is not just about making space in your home, but also in your mind and heart. It's a step towards a more intentional, fulfilling life. So, let go and embrace the joy of a clutter-free existence. You have the power to create a home that truly supports and nurtures you. Start now and experience the transformative power of letting go. Releasing the just-in-case clutter is a journey worth taking. Enjoy every step of it. Sentimental items hold a special place in our hearts. They whisper stories of the past, connecting us to cherished memories and loved ones. However, it's important to remember that our memories are not bound to physical possessions. The joy these items spark comes from the memories themselves, not necessarily from the objects. Choose a few truly special items that spark immense joy and let go of the rest. You can take photos of items before parting with them, preserving the memory without holding on to the physical clutter. Remember, it's okay to let go and create space for new memories to unfold. Even when we've decluttered our belongings, it often feels like the clutter never truly goes away. A lack of proper storage solutions can lead to a sense of disorganization, making it difficult to maintain a tidy space. Take a look around your home. Notice the areas where clutter tends to accumulate the most. Are there specific spots that seem to attract clutter like a magnet? These are signs that you may need to rethink your storage strategy. Investing in drawer dividers, shelves, and storage boxes can make a world of difference. These tools help you create designated spaces for your items. Choose storage solutions that not only serve a functional purpose but also spark joy and fit your aesthetic. This way, organizing becomes a pleasure rather than a chore. Opt for transparent storage boxes and labeled bins. These allow you to see your belongings clearly, making it easier to find what you need. When everything has a designated place, it becomes much simpler to maintain a sense of order. You'll spend less time searching for items and more time enjoying your space. Remember, a designated place for everything brings a sense of calm and order to your home. It transforms your living space into a sanctuary where you can relax and unwind. Start small by tackling one area at a time. Gradually, you'll notice the positive impact of effective storage solutions on your daily life. The benefits extend beyond just a clean home. An organized environment can improve your mental clarity, reduce stress, and even boost your productivity. So take the first step today. Invest in storage solutions that work for you and transform your home into a haven of peace and efficiency. How many pens do you really need, or how many spare buttons? Duplicates often accumulate without us even realizing it. Take a moment to gather similar items together. You might be surprised by how many duplicates you've acquired over time. Keep only the items that spark joy and are truly necessary. Donate or discard the rest, knowing that you're creating space for more meaningful possessions. Remember, simplicity is key to a clutter-free life. We've all been there, holding on to an expensive item we never use simply because we feel guilty for spending money on it. But holding on to these items doesn't bring back the money spent. Instead, it keeps us tethered to the past and prevents us from fully embracing the present. If an expensive item no longer sparks joy, it's okay to let it go. Sell it, donate it, or give it to someone who will appreciate it. Remember, true wealth lies in experiences and relationships, not in material possessions. Procrastination is a clutter magnet. We put off tasks, telling ourselves we'll do it later, and before we know it, clutter has taken over. The key to overcoming procrastination is to start small. Choose one small decluttering task each day, even if it's just for 5 minutes. Once you start seeing progress, you'll be motivated to keep going. Remember, consistency is key to maintaining a clutter-free life. Don't let procrastination steal your joy. Take action today and experience the transformative power of a clutter-free home. Impulse buying can bring a fleeting sense of satisfaction, but it often leads to long-term clutter and regret. Before making a purchase, pause and ask yourself, do I truly need this item? Does it align with my values and bring me joy? If the answer is no, resist the urge to buy. Wait a few days and see if you still feel the same way. Remember, true fulfillment comes from experiences and connections, not from material possessions. Decluttering is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing practice. Just like we tidy up our homes daily, we need to make decluttering a regular part of our routines. Set aside a few minutes each week to declutter a specific area of your home. This could be your wardrobe, your desk, or a kitchen drawer. By incorporating decluttering into your routine, you'll prevent clutter from accumulating and maintain a sense of order and peace in your home. Remember, small, consistent efforts lead to lasting change. Our families play a significant role in shaping our relationship with belongings. If you grew up in a home where clutter was prevalent, you might find yourself struggling with the same patterns. Remember, You have the power to break free from these patterns and create new, healthier habits for yourself and your family. Communicate openly with your loved ones about your desire for a clutter-free home. Encourage them to participate in the decluttering process and celebrate each other's successes. Remember, creating a harmonious and clutter-free home is a team effort. As we've discovered, the path to a clutter-free life involves mindful choices, a touch of planning, and a commitment to releasing what no longer serves us. Remember, decluttering is not about deprivation. It's about creating space for what truly sparks joy in your life. Start small, be patient with yourself, and celebrate each step of the journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on living a clutter-free life.